Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a 7-set workout to get shredded. As you can see, my first set is pull-ups, and if you're unable to do pull-ups, make sure you check out this video later where I show you how to get started with pull-ups. The second set was Spider-Man push-ups. Now you could always just do regular push-ups if you want, but I like these Spider-Man push-ups for variety. Now I do a workout like this twice a week, generally on Mondays and Thursdays. The third set was jump squats. Now, since I'm only strength training twice a week, and it's generally 6 to 8 sets on each workout, I go max effort on each set. And I'll typically rest 3 to 4 minutes so I have some recovery time between my sets. The fourth move was chin-ups, of course similar to pull-ups, but I have the hands facing inwards, the palms facing in to get a little more action with the biceps. I also wanted to mention I do a cardio workout on Tuesdays and Fridays, so that'll be generally like a 3 to 5 mile run. The fifth move was regular push-ups. Now, of course, if you're just getting started, you could always start off by doing push-ups on your knees and build up your strength and work your way up to doing regular push-ups. The next set was jumping lunges. And if you look at my workout videos, you're going to see that for most of them, I don't use any weights. I may sometimes add a weight for my legs or sometimes add a weight for my pull-ups. But for the most part, you don't need to have any weights to get in really good shape and get nice and fit. The last move were these leg raises, hanging leg raises. Now the goal is you want to have your legs as straight as possible, so mine were pretty straight. If this is too hard to do, you can always just raise your legs halfway up, or you can bend your knees more and it makes it easier. But I was just doing the best I could here to keep my legs straight. So that was it. Make sure to check out my recipe ebook in the description box below. I have some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.